Marketing terms that will help you sound more professional as a marketer. Check it out.
Digital Nebula, आपका अपना digital marketer. Follow for digital marketing tips, updates and personal branding tips.
Now the terms that I've taken for today are white bread content and wheat bread content. Now what do they mean? White bread content means any form of short and snackable content, which could be memes, tweets. Wheat bread content is a long form of content. It could be IGTVs, YouTube videos, long form vlogs. Those could be the best example for that. So the next time you talk to a person from the marketing field or you talk to a client, you use these terms instead of short form and long form of content. This will actually generate curiosity in the other person's mind, and then you can explain to him or her what do these terms actually mean, and these will add a more professional touch to your dealings, a more professional touch to you as a marketer if you're building your personal brand. So I hope this helps out, and check out my feed for more such informative videos.